Welcome to StuTeach. My name is Hemish Chauhan, chairman of the company, and my friend Malav Chawda is the director of the company. Thank you for watching my video, and I am looking forward to talking with you today about our company name StuTeach. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I would like to quick start with the problem statement. So let's start. Now come to the problem description. In our education system, there is a less technical knowledge and more theoretical knowledge, so students can't understand the real world and things because lack of experience and skills because of the always seems to be a skillless and a technical less person. So we started our company on the basis of this problem statement. So we come with the best solution. We launched this company at the beginning of 2020. We aim to give students an idea about recent trends and technologies. The name StuTeach is inspired by the idea of teaching students by students. Our idea is to spread awareness among the students and help them to learn something new in today's growing world. Eventually, improving education will lead to a better future in our country. We organize events and workshops as well to help students build some hands-on project and develop their practical skills. We aim to give our knowledge to students in a fun and easy way so that they can easily learn it and implement it in real world. We are motivated by the idea to contribute to the future of our country. Now come to value proposition. StuTeach is a platform that introduces students to a new generation technologies. The main motto of our company is to help students to learn new things apart from their curriculum to make sure that they stay updated according to the current trends. We organize workshops and seminars to teach the upcoming youth of our society and help them to work on some real-time projects.
Then the question came to know what are the opportunities. The first thing is that educate. So here we teach students some basic knowledge about current technologies and help them to work some hands-on projects. It gives some practical knowledge and apart from knowledge, their curriculum awareness. So second point is that what is awareness? So spreading awareness among students, reading the resource and technologies available to them for an educational purpose will help them to get maximum benefit from it. So third thing, they will get a better future or not. So improving the quality of education and helping students get more knowledge according to their interest will ultimately benefit them in future. The future of our country depends on today youth. So here we came to know what are the key parameters. So private schools, government schools, entrepreneurship development cells, web developer, alumni, knowledgeable partners, and Vadodara mayors. So these are the things we are the key parameters we are using for that. And the activities is that the course development and recruit students and follows hands-on live practicals. And the resources we give them is human resource, emotional support from the university students, positive connection of the students, organization supports, and many more. So the value proposition, as we discussed, that giving employment to those students, professionals, and skill development, etc., etc. What is the customer relationship? That there should be friendly. Consider follow-up calls, channels, and revenue streams. The fees received from the school, that is our revenue systems. So cost structure is that building a land cost, purchase and practical material for the students, fees paid to be students employed, traveling cost, marketing expenses. That's our business model canvas. So what are the competitor analysis? So we provide free seminar and technical knowledge skills to all university and school students, and we provide workshop at very affordable price to all students who have interest to do something for their career, and we always adopt the ethical standards and procedures to convey our things. And we also provide platform to hire delegates and came and share to know their experience to students, so they directly come connected to higher authorities and they can take advice for their career and brighter future. These are our competitor analysis as we know. So you can may get more information. So you may visit our website https stutteach.company.
If you want to attend our seminar and if you want to work with us, so here is the link, and I also posted the link in the description, so you can visit the link and stay connected with us. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you.